So hey guys, welcome back to the D&N Medical Series. It's your girl Nikki, and if you're not yet a subscriber, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so you get a new update every time we have a new release. So today, as our video title suggested, we'll be talking about will I lose my virginity if I use a tampon? I'm just going to answer some questions that were sent to me by some young females about this all. If I've used a tampon before I've had sex, does the tampon count as my first time? And the answer is simply no. Your first time having sex is not the same as using a tampon. Putting one thing in one part of your body does not equate to any other meaning than what you give it to. So tampons do not take your virginity. It is as simple as that. The first time you have sex will still be the first time you have sex, and that's when your virginity will be taken. Next one is, will a tampon break my hymen? So first thing first, your hymen does not break, it stretches. So while it's possible for a tampon to stretch your hymen a bit, it's also possible that your hymen has stretched in other ways already, like riding a bike, climbing tree branches. So there are other things that can stretch your hymen, or it cannot even stretch at all. But tampons are small and can usually be inserted through the existing opening of your hymen, right? So there's a opening there, because that's how the blood come out, and the blood clot comes out when you're having your period. So there's already an opening. That's where you're going to put your tampon in. You're not making a new opening to put your tampon in. And the next question I have is, do tampons work better on non-virgin girls than virgins? And the simple answer is no. Tampons work the same and are just as efficient for all vaginas, regardless of whether you had sex before, regardless of how many times you have sex and for how long. Tampons is efficient for all vaginas, whether you're a virgin or not. The next one is, will a larger tampon take my virginity? Should I only use small tampons? Well, what you should know is that you choose tampon absorbencies that best fits your flow and your need. So while the tampon comes in sizes that I discussed before, these aren't sizes for wear, but these sizes are actually refers to the capacity of the fluid or the blood that the tampon can hold. So if it's a super plus as opposed to a light, it doesn't mean that the light is a smaller tampon per se. It means that the super plus can hold more fluid than the light. Basically, you use or choose the size of your tampon based on your flow. So in short, guys, do tampons take your virginity? No. You will still have your virginity if you use a tampon. And just check out my other videos on how to insert the tampon, how to remove the tampon, and very other important thing about the tampon. And that's it for this video. If you have any question, don't forget to drop it in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the D&N Medical Series for lots more interesting content. Until next time, see you soon. Bye.